Hello viewers, Experience Speaks.
This is Madhya Pradesh tourist village at Shivpuri. We will be halting here for the night.
We have just reached here from Delhi and we are en route Indore.
It's a beautifully situated property. This is the Badiya Kund next to the property.
Walking into the reception of the property, it looks pretty decent and appears to have been renovated quite recently.
There is a lake next to the property.
I booked this place online from the MP tourism website, and the place is quite inexpensive.
Madhya Pradesh tourist village, Shivpuri. It's a very beautiful property with manicured gardens and lake facing rooms. What you can see behind is the national park. The air is pure and fresh. The weather is cloudy today. Every room has a tree planted. Beautiful flowers here at MP Tourism Tourist Village, Shivpuri. Yellow, red, small berries can be seen. Small berries. Looks beautiful. Nature at its best. This is the Chandpata Lake, Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. I am at Madhya Pradesh Tourist Village. They have a beautiful setup. You can hear monkeys welcoming the day. This is the room. It's been created like a village room, as the villagers decorate their huts. Every room is flanked by trees. This is the room at MP Tourism Tourist Village. It is the motifs are, in the village style. Looks very unique. It was a nice stay here. So I'll just give you an idea actually as to the outside view from this room, which is pretty neat. It's a lake view room, so I just requested for this place. Lake plus the Madhav National Park in the background. There's a sailing club behind these trees. This is the famous Badia Kund at Shivpuri, and I'm capturing it from the MP Tourism Tourist Village side. You can see a lot of monkeys. There is pin drop silence, but for the chirping of the birds and monkeys frolicking around. There is a temple also here. We will be going there, for a closer look shortly. A lot of leaves floating on this kund. Sakhya Sagar Lake. The view is from MP Tourism Tourist Village. It's serene. There is a sailing club also here, so you can see in the video a boat standing here. This lake has many crocodiles, so no swimming is allowed, and even fishing is not allowed, so there are a lot of fish also. Ample food for the crocodiles. Tourist village from the vantage point. There's a gym also. For parties, there's a garden with a bar. You can make a bar here. Yeah, I can see swimming pool also near the gym. These bottle palms are looking very beautiful. No noise pollution, no air pollution. MP Tourism Tourist Village here at Shivpuri. This is the entrance. On the left is a hall, and the reception is on the right, flanked by a car park. I think there is ample car parking available. You can watch my previous video which covers all the details of travel from Delhi to this MP Tourism Tourist Village. Thank you and goodbye viewers.